In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with a Photoshop Mockup file that will allow you to design a holiday sweater and then see it mocked up on a sweater texture. When you open up the file, if you want your experience to look like mine, I've just got layers open and properties, and brushes is open. I don't really need it though. So this is a file that is linking to an AI file, an Illustrator file. So the orange layer here is what you're going to be working with. These other ones are performing textures and such. So actively click on that layer. Just go over to, let's see, there, and yes. Okay, now this should pop up on properties. It's called Edit Contents. Click on that, and that'll take you immediately to this AI file. The AI file is just a flat sweater shape. It currently just has basically a none color. But I just want to show you really quickly how this works. I'm going to wake that shape up, and let's just say I'm going to give it a Christmas color here of green. And then I've already built a pattern brush here. So I'm going to get into my paintbrush, and I'm going to select this pattern brush, and maybe I'll make it a little larger. And then I'm just going to, whoops, that's a little too large. A little too large, yeah, a little smaller. Okay. So now I'm just going to use this brush to create, and check this out, how I am being kind of sloppy. I'm letting it come off the sweater. That's because there is a mask that is set up in this mockup file, so that as sloppy as I can be here, and the direction of these lights has to do with where I start and end my brush stroke. If I go this way, the lights go in the same direction. Just want to point that out. So when you're working with a linked file, it's really important that you save in Illustrator so that when you go back to Photoshop, you will see this mocked up. And the reason that you're not seeing that extra extended area of your work is because there's a mask set up to this file. So have fun with this. Again, you're just going to go to Edit Contents. You're going to be working on this layer here. And these layers that sit above it and below it are a basic sweater that's set to, this one is set to linear burn, this one, your layer is set to multiply, so that it's talking to the texture below it. At the very bottom is a background layer that if you want to, you can change the color of that and do your thing. Now I do notice here there's a little bit of a discrepancy on how it's sitting on this, so I will try and correct that before I share this file with you, so everything looks nice and tidy. That looks good. So have fun.